Hi guys. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time being here, thank you so much for stopping by and thank you for clicking on this video. Now today is the day that we are going to test out the template that we made in our last video. Now if you have not seen that video, I went ahead and I showed you how to design this template that I have on in Silhouette Studio, and I started from the basic. So if you have not seen that video, I'm going to put a link where you're able to find it. Now today, because the video was so long, because I took my time, it I had to split the video in two. So this is actually part 2 of the video, and I'm gonna come a little bit closer for you to see this baby. No, this is the result of the template that we did in our last video. Now, the stones that I used for this tutorial, I used a purple shirt. I've never used a purple shirt before, but I decided that I'm gonna come out of the black world because I love black shirts, and I just think that stones will not show up on a different color. But boy, I was wrong. Now look at this one. I used red for the top, and there's a reason why I did that. I wanted the tiffle to be sort of obvious, so I used red at the top here and AB crystals, and I just think that AB crystals goes with anything. So if that is something you're interested in, do keep on watching. I also talked about the materials that I used in the video, but of course you're going to need rhinestones, you're going to need a shirt, you're going to need the business edition of Silhouette Studio, you're going to need a cutting machine. I use my Cricut Explorer Air 2, and you're also going to need rhinestone flock and transfer tape. So if that is something you're interested in, do continue watching. Guys, we are in Cricut Design Space. I'm going to go up here where it says upload on the left, and then I'm gonna upload the image. I'm gonna browse, and then I'm just gonna grab the image where I have saved it. This is the image that we have. This is the SVG file that we have saved. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna press upload. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to click on it and add it to my canvas. Okay, now that I add it to my canvas, you will have to ensure that the size is the same. The size that we did, if you notice, it did not come in at the correct size. So I'm gonna go up here with the lock button being the same. I'm going to change it to 11.105. Press enter, and then the height will automatically change. Okay, now that you have sized it, you see that there are different layers. Okay, you'll have the red layer, you have the blue layer, and then you'll have the black layer. So all I'm gonna do now is go ahead and make it. When you make it, you'll see that it's gonna cut on 3 different mats. I'm going to see if I could move them around so that they fit on one mat. I don't think it is possible, but let's see. So I'm gonna move the blue. You just press these 3 dots and you press move object, and I'm gonna move it to the black. I'm gonna press confirm. Okay, and I'm gonna take it down. Okay, And you'll see that it fills up all that space, which is okay. Yes, that's fine. So I'm just gonna use one mat for this one, and then I am going to cut this little piece on another mat. So I'm gonna press continue. It's gonna search for my device, okay? And my dial is set to custom. So I'm gonna go here where it says browse all material, and I'm going to search for the setting that I've made. And I'm gonna use that setting. And press done. Now I'm just going to cut this out and I'll show you what to do next. Okay guys, I went ahead and I cut out the design. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to put them on a Dollar Tree chopping mat. Okay, you're gonna need your edge brush and your wax pencil. And for this design, I'm gonna use a purple shirt. Okay, so I'm gonna use purple for the outline. So I'm gonna just dump the stones there. Use my edge brush and I'm gonna brush them in. And the stones that did not go in, you're gonna use your pencil to just fill those holes up. Then you're gonna take your transfer tape and just put it down on it to transfer them. If a stone doesn't come up, push it back down. Alright, so I'm gonna lint roll my shirt first. It's important, if you don't lint roll, it could stop your stones from sticking. Then I'm gonna take the moisture from my shirt. I'm gonna find the midpoint. So one of these stones here aren't, this not purple, it's AB crystals. I'm gonna change it. Then I'm gonna press one of my stones, flip over. See that? Okay. I'm gonna take the other layer. Okay guys, so this is the final layer that I'm going to put on. Now you'll have to be very careful when you're layering this. I've had instances where I wasn't paying attention and I actually shifted and some of the stones went on top of each other. So you'll have to take your time and be careful. So after you finish with layering everything, I went ahead and I put parchment paper over and I went again for another press. Now this is the result of what we just did. You see how beautiful this is. I really love it. I love the stone choices that I made. So let me know what you think. I really love to hear your comments. Alright guys, so this is the result of the shirt that we have just made. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I would love to know what stones would you have used to do this design. So until we meet again, I'll see you in my next one.